You're 30, 35, maybe 40 years old, and you're wondering if it's too late to get into tech. It's not. Here's your exact roadmap. You're not a fresh graduate. You have responsibilities, a mortgage, maybe a family, bills to pay. And yet you're watching IT professionals talk about their six-figure salaries, flexible remote work, and constant career growth. And you're thinking, is it too late for me? Let me tell you clearly, here is your step-by-step roadmap. Why IT is uniquely career changer friendly. Unlike medicine or law, IT doesn't require a specific degree. What matters is what you can do, and certifications, portfolio projects, and hands-on experience prove that. Thousands of people transition into IT roles in their 30s, 40s, and beyond every year. Step 1. Choose your path. IT is broad. Don't try to learn everything. Pick one path: cloud computing, AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Data science and analytics, Python, SQL, Power BI. SAP consulting, if you have a business background. Cybersecurity, if you're detail-oriented. DevOps, if you're comfortable with systems. Your existing professional background is a huge asset. Finance background, SAP FICO, supply chain, SAPM. Marketing background can lead to data analytics. Step 2. Get certified in 3 to 6 months. You don't have years. You need a structured, focused learning path. Pick a course on the technology you've chosen. Study consistently. Even 1 hour a day adds up fast. Aim for your first certification within 3 to 6 months. Certifications signal to employers that you're serious and capable. Step 3. Build a portfolio for technical roles. Build 2 to 3 projects. For SAP or business IT roles, document your learning and connect with professionals on LinkedIn. A portfolio shows you can apply what you've learned, not just pass a test. Step 4. Network and apply. Strategically update your LinkedIn profile to reflect your new direction. Join communities. Reach out to IT professionals. Apply for junior or associate roles. Your previous career experience makes you more valuable than a fresh graduate with no work experience. Step 5. Use training platforms like Uplatz, which was built for people like you. Affordable, structured courses on SAP, cloud, data science, Python, DevOps, and more. Self-paced so you can fit it around your current job. Expert instructors with real industry experience. And once you enroll, you have lifetime access. Your career change starts today, not when the timing is perfect. Head to uplatz.com, find the course that matches your chosen path, and enroll. The IT world is waiting for professionals with your life experience. Subscribe for more practical career advice every week.